Welcome to the course Decision Modeling with Spreadsheet. The topic is Introduction to Decision Modeling. We face numerous decisions in life and professional settings. We can use computers to analyze the potential outcomes of decision alternatives. Spreadsheets are often the tool of choice for today's problem solvers. What is operations research? It is a field of study that uses computers, statistics, and mathematics to solve problems in a variety of settings. The term operations research describes the discipline that is focused on the application of information technology for informed decision making. In other words, operations research represents the study of optimal resource allocation. The goal of operations research is to provide rational basis for decision making by seeking to understand and structure complex situations and to utilize the understanding to predict system behavior and improve system performance. Much of the actual work is conducted by using analytical and numerical techniques to develop and manipulate mathematical models of organizational systems that are composed of people, machines, and procedures. Operations research is also known as management science and decision science. Let us take some examples. The first example is of Motorola. It is having procurement of goods and services account for 50% of its cost. It has developed an internet-based auction system for negotiations with suppliers. The system optimized multi-product, multi-vendor contract awards. The benefits are $600 million in savings. Another example is waste management company example. It is leading waste collection company in North America. There are 26,000 vehicle service, 20 million residential and 2 million commercial customers are covered. It has developed vehicle routing optimization system. The benefits are it has eliminated 1,000 routes. Annual savings are of $44 million. Revenue is $14.48 billion and the net income is $1.95 billion. There is another example of Hong Kong International Terminals. It is the busiest container terminal in the world. 122-yard cranes serve 125 ships per week. Thousands of trucks move containers in and out of storage yard. It has used OR, the operations research, to optimize operational decisions involving trucks, cranes, and storage locations. The benefits are 35% reduction in container handling cost, 50% increase in throughput, and 30% improvement in vessel turnaround time. Another example is John Deere Company. There are 2,500 dealers sell lawn equipment and tractors with support of 5 warehouses. Each dealer stocks 100 products, creating 250,000 product stocking locations. Demand is highly seasonal and erratic. Developed inventory system to optimize stocking levels over a 26-week horizon. The benefits are $1 billion in reduced inventory and improved customer service levels. So now we will understand what is computer model. It is a set of mathematical relationships and logical assumptions implemented in a computer as an abstract representation of a real-world object or phenomenon. So spreadsheets provide the most convenient way to develop a model. So what is our modeling approach to problem solving? So everyone uses models to make decisions. So that there are 4 different types of models. First is mental, that is arranging furniture kind of model. You can take the example of arranging furniture. Second is visual. The examples are blueprints, roadmaps. Third is physical or scale model. Examples are aerodynamics or buildings. And last one is mathematical model, what we will be studying in this course. So characteristics of model. Models are usually simplified versions of the timings they represent. A valid model accurately represents the relevant characteristics of the object or decision suited. The example of mathematical model: profit is equal to revenue minus expenses. This is a example of mathematical model. You can say that profit is the function of revenue and expenses, and we can represent in mathematics way y is equal to function x1 and x2. Most spreadsheet models are very similar to our generic mathematical model. Most spreadsheets have input cells representing xi, to which mathematical functions f are applied to compute the bottom line performance measure, or you can say y. So a generic mathematical model, y is equal to function of x1, x2 and so on till xn, where y is dependent, or you can say the response variable which represents the bottom line performance measure. Xi is independent, or you can say explanatory variable which represents inputs having an impact on y, and function f is the function which defines the relationship between xi and y. Thank you.